Do you want to buy a house but you have no idea where to start? Well, this video is for you and it starts right now. Hi, I'm Scott Cooper, your knowledgeable loan officer, and welcome to the first episode of Home Loan TV, where today I'm going to talk to you. You know who you are. You've wanted to buy a home, thought about buying a home, considered buying a home, but really you have no idea where to start. You don't know if you qualify, who to talk to, what to say, what's it going to cost, and what the commitment is. And I'm going to break it all down for you, make it really, really easy. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is super simple. Pick up your phone, dial my number. I'll have the number should be here on the screen, and I made a script for you to make it really easy. Hi, this is, and I want to buy a house. That's all you need to know. I'll take over from there and I'll guide you through the process. I'll ask you a series of questions about your job and income and bills and credit. And if you don't know the answer to a question, don't worry about it. We'll put it on a list. You can go get the information and then we can pick up and continue the conversation. But the first step you want to take is to pick up the phone and make the call. Now, the next part is cost, right? That's obviously very important. Now, I structure my business to make it as easy as possible for you to reach out to me. So when you work with me, the cost is 100% free up until the point where you have found a property, written an offer, it's accepted, and we're ready to order the appraisal. I'm going to ask you for appraisal money. Everything up until then is completely free of charge. The reason I do that is so that it's easy for you to reach out to me. You're not worried about cost. You can just go out, get some great information, and figure out if buying a home is for you. Now, from a commitment standpoint, really it's kind of a handshake type of a thing. I would love to have the opportunity to earn your business. And if I do a good job and I can provide a great product, then I'd love to work with you. If you have an option that's better for you and your family, whether that's a different lender, not buying, or whatever it might be, I honestly want you to take that option because it's what's best for you and your family. At that point, I would just thank you for the opportunity to earn your business and wish you well in your endeavors. So I try to make it easy in the phone call, free, very little commitment, just give me the opportunity to earn your business. So pick up the phone, let's start finding out if you can own a home of your own. I am Scott Cooper, your knowledgeable loan officer. Take care.